Attention muna tayo, coaches, officiating officials.
Para man tawag mo. Bigyan ako dito.
Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to Division Athletic Association Meet 2025 here at Phase 5, Blue Court, Barangay Pasinawan, City of San Pedro, Laguna. Presenting the two competing teams together with the officiating officials. Our first referee, Division Referee, Mr. Daniel Rafael Peñaflor. Palakpakan naman dyan. One step forward tayo ha, one step forward. Our second referee, LGU Referee, Mr. Mark Blando. Our line judge 1, Mr. Romeo Gonzalez. Our line judge 2, we have Ma'am Joanna May C. Alvarez. And now, the competing teams for this match, championship match, Volleyball Girls Secondary, San Pedro Relegation Center, National High School. Wearing jersey number 2, Marian Paraña. Wearing jersey number 4, Pauline Alcazaran. Wearing jersey number 5, Eviona Venice Ventura. Wearing jersey number 8, Ia Bukaya. Wearing jersey number 9, Lucene B. Endario. And their team captain, wearing jersey number 11, Shakira May Cruz. Wearing jersey number 12, Jasmine Francine Morillo. Wearing jersey number 13, Gabby Artizo. Wearing jersey number 14, Angel Ann Lozero. And wearing jersey number 15, Yumi Erica Jareño. And their liberos, wearing jersey number 3, Robilyn Fair Cobilla. And wearing jersey number 7, Samantha Nicole Fontanilla. And their coach, Madam Libet Bill Valdez. And their assistant coach, Mr. Marjan Tumlos. Doña Pilar M. Alberto Integrated High School. Wearing jersey number 1, the team captain, Micaela Helmina. Wearing jersey number 3, Ira Estañol. Wearing jersey number 5, Mary Rose Albaniel. Wearing jersey number 6, Natasha Manuel Tipon. Wearing jersey number 7, Shane On Barnuevo. Wearing jersey number 8, Stephanie Irish Torres. Wearing jersey number 10, April Joy Calo. Wearing jersey number 11, Jody Elciario. Wearing jersey number 13, Kiana May Pauline. Wearing jersey number 14, Duchess Sophia de los Reyes. And their liberos, wearing jersey number 2, Mary Chris de la Cruz. And wearing jersey number 12, Phoebe Ross. And their coach, Madam Jovelyn Z. Galanza. The assistant coach, Carl Serma Amar. Their chaperone, Ma'am Joanna Macy Alvarez. And their trainer, Mr. Janelle and Fernando. Alright, everybody raise your hands. All together and bow. Good luck, both teams. Their table scorer, we have Ma'am Fraxedes Carag table scorer, together with Ma'am Marinette Pormento, Division Referee.